Imagine you made $500 on YouTube. Then when you're about to get your payment, YouTube decides to remove 30% of your earnings as US tax withholding. This is what will happen if you do not submit your tax info. So when your channel gets monetized, you need to provide your tax information. In this video, I will show you how to submit your tax information for non-US creators on AdSense. But before that, why is this important? So this is the amount I earned in January, $290.60. YouTube removed $49.53 for US tax withholding. So the amount I was paid was $251.27. What's going on here, and why am I paying taxes even though I don't reside in the US? Some US laws apply to you if your source of income is from the US, usually 30% of your income. When you submit your tax information on AdSense indicating that you are a non-US person, the 30% tax withholding will only apply to the revenue you generated from the US. In this case, the 30% of my tax is only calculated from the $126 I made from my US audience. But had I not submitted my tax info, YouTube would assume I'm a US person and they would have removed 30% of the entire $290 I made in January. When you do your maths, I would have paid about $95 as taxes instead of $49. That's about $46 of my money gone. That's why you must submit your tax info so you do not lose extra money to the US government. But you should know that you need to be monetized and own an AdSense account first. I don't advise creating a Google AdSense account before monetization. So you need to wait till your channel gets monetized first. Once your channel gets monetized and you have linked it to your AdSense account, then you need to log into your AdSense account. Your AdSense account dashboard will look like this. At the top of your account, you will see Manage Tax Info. Click on it. Next, you click on Add Tax Info. If you like, you can read the information before you start, but I'll just go ahead to click on the Start Tax Form. You will have to log into your Google AdSense account. So here you will want to select an individual. Since I'm not a citizen of the United States, I will choose No. Select W8 Ben. This is the right form for an individual account. If you are registering as a business, then you choose the second. Click Start W8 Ben form. Your name should appear here. Choose your country of residence. The rest here is optional. Enter your address. If your mailing address is the same as your residence address, click this to continue. Here you can claim a reduced rate for tax withholding under a tax treaty. You can check if this is available for your country, but my country, Nigeria, it's not available. So I will just click No. Now confirm your information is correct. You can click on the form to view your information. For signatures, just type your full name. Then select Yes. Here I will select No, since my videos are not created in the US. If you haven't received any payment from this AdSense account before, you will want to select the first one. But I've been using this account to receive payment for my blog before my channel gets monetized, so I will go with the second. Check this, and finally click on Submit. And yeah, this is how to submit tax info. If you are not monetized yet, you should start by watching this video to familiarize yourself with the monetization process to avoid your channel being demonetized. So you subscribe to the channel and like this video if you find it informative. My name is Victor Smith and I'll see you guys in the next one.